Okay.
I just caught a bird, Looney Tunes version with a little box and a stick and a little string.
From the window, sitting here at the door.
Yeah, and it went under there and it fell, and it's under there, and we're gonna try to catch it and put it in my hand.
Yeah, and it was second try. 1 second, Jack.
I can see it moving over.
Poor little
You can hear
kid.
it.
Okay, I'm gonna watch you. What, he's getting the net?
Got the best net, but very tiny.
Give me this, man.
I don't know that the net's gonna be very successful.
If it goes.
Oh my gosh. Uh-oh, don't let his feet get tangled.
Be careful with him.
I'll hold this part.
Come here. Oh, he's biting me.
Well, I would bite you too, Housebird.
Here, let go of this little dude.
Poor little guy.
I'm just trying to hold you. I promise I wouldn't hurt you.
Odin, you want to help? Get, like, maybe get the net. Is he biting the net? Oh.
Can I pet him?
I can't believe you did that.
Oh!
He doesn't like that. He or she, I'm not sure.
This is a tufted titmouse.
Yep, and Jax caught it.
I don't want him to bite me.
You want to touch it, Odin? He don't like it, though.
I'm gonna let it go here in a minute.
Yeah, he was just just trying to see if he could actually catch a bird with a string in a box.
I'm not
Okay.
gonna do it again though,
Here, can you
because
take
we
a
can
picture?
tell they don't like it.
Yeah. All right. You want to? What I would do is just
Can you
put
take
your
a
hand up.
picture?
Yeah. 1 second.
Ready?
Okay, now the release of him. Oh, bye bye. He's gone.
Hey, someone did Daddy.